Hey folks, I'm Walter, your personal travel concierge, and let's break down the cruise line bidding process. If you're booked on a cruise, at some point the cruise line is going to send you an email that looks like this telling you, hey, you can bid on an upgraded cabin. First thing to understand is that these cabins may or may not be available at the time you actually get the email. In some cases, the cruise lines may hold back some cabins specifically for the bidding process. In other cases, they're hoping people in lower level cabins will upgrade to the higher level, making their cabins available, or the cruise line is simply setting up a wait list so if people cancel, they can fill the higher level cabin. The second thing to understand is the pricing. In general, that pricing that you see is per person in the cabin, and it's merely a suggested starting bid. The highest bid will win if a cabin comes open. And third, if your bid is selected, your credit card will be charged immediately and the cruise line will move you into your new cabin. You have absolutely no control over which cabin the cruise line assigns, and you cannot request any changes once the change has been made. Now, each cruise line is a little bit different, but those are the basics of how the bidding process works. Hey, I'm Walter, your personal travel concierge, and we would love to be your travel partner in your future vacation plans.